Dictation. Dictation plays an important role in developing the writing skills. In this video, I want to share my thoughts about dictation, how to conduct dictation in classroom. Welcome to my channel, Sujata Tudumella. Please do subscribe my channel. I promise you will feel some new content has shared. If you feel it is useful, please share it to your friends. Let's move to the topic. Dictation. The action of dictating words or sentences to be written is dictation. Other words, dictation is the transcription of spoken text. The teacher will conduct dictation to test the writing skills of language. It is the best tool to develop the writing skills in students. It can be used in mathematics also, in class 1 and 2. How? Are you feeling I am wrong? No. I'll explain it. Please wait. First, let us discuss about languages. Dictation can be used at every stage of language teaching. For example, when we are dealing class 1 or pre-primary classes, we can dictate the alphabet to the students. I mean, we can dictate A, F, G, O, like that. Or A, Ma, Pa, Da, Ka, in Telugu. When we are dictating class 1 and 2, it can be used to test the letters or Varnamala or Gunintalu, Barahkadi in Telugu or Hindi, or 2-letter words, 3-letter words, like that. If the students are from class 3 and above, we can dictate the words, phrases and sentences also. In this way, we can use the dictation as the best teaching technique. Come to the mathematics. We can use dictation to test the number knowledge of the students. Many students can write numbers from 1 to 100, but when we ask to write or read 36 or 67, they fail. To avoid this, we often dictate numbers to the students. We can use dictation test to test the concept of expanded forms and short forms also. Though there are limitations, dictation can be used to develop the number systems very effectively. While conducting dictation, we can use some simple techniques to make it more effective. Before dictation, ask the students to close all of their books. Ask them to clean their slates. It is more useful if we maintain a slip test book to conduct dictation. It also used as a proof for the students' development. Ask the students to sit properly and write the dictation without seeing. Please maintain calm atmosphere in the classroom. Please maintain calm atmosphere in the classroom so that the students can listen the words or letters or numbers correctly. While dictating dictations, please repeat the words or letters or numbers 3 times. Ask the children to listen only for the first time. While you repeat the word for the second time, students should write in his or her notebooks or slates. When teacher repeats the third time, he or she can check what he had written and make necessary changes. Please give some time to move to the next word or letter. We can use 10 or 20 letters or words for dictation. It depends upon the teacher. If it is possible, teacher can repeat all words or letters one more time after completing the dictation and ask the students to verify their work. After completing the dictation, teacher will check and award marks to the students. While checking the dictation, in my opinion, teacher must be strict. We can check and put wrong. Even there is small mistakes. For example, we asked the student to write biscuit. biscuit is the spelling for biscuit. But the student writes as biscut. We should put wrong mark to that word. Then only the students will realize about his mistakes. Checking of dictation can be done in two more ways. Teacher can write correct words or letters on the blackboard and ask the students to check themselves. It may be more effective when we ask to exchange the books or slates among the students. I think you understand what I have told. While doing corrections, their own work, students there may be a chance to make corrections of their own work. But when we ask to exchange the books, when we ask to evaluate the other students' work, they will be very strict. After completing the dictation, please don't forget to encourage the students of their work. Claps for the 80% and above achievers and give compliments like good, okay for the 60 to 80% achievers. Who got below 60%, they can also be encouraged by giving the compliments. Okay, try to get more marks. Well done. You tried it very well, like that. At the last, ask the students to write the wrongly written words for 5 times or more. Then only the dictation will be useful to the students and teacher also, I think. I covered all about dictations. If I forgot anything, you can feel it must be included. Please give in the comment box. Suggestions are more always welcome. So friends, let's dictate our students in a right way. Thank you. Bye bye.